Let us now see the chapter or exercise 6.2 of chapter 6 of NCERT. Okay, so exercise 6.2. In the last video, we have seen that there are some um, properties of a triangle, especially related to the parallel line to its base. So for example, we have, so this is a kind of recap of that. So if there is a triangle ABC in which we have drawn a line PQ parallel to BC or the base, then what will happen? The ratio of AP to PB will be equal to ratio of AQ to QC. So that was one basic theorem on which most of the questions of exercise 6.2 is based upon. So let us tackle some of the questions. Question number 1. In question number 1, it says that there is a triangle let me draw the triangle A B C, and then it says that there is a parallel line to BC. This is a parallel line to BC, which is designated as DE. Okay, so this is, and then it's given that AD is 1.5 centimeter, DB is 3 centimeter, AE is 1 centimeter, and then we need to find EC. Let us assume that it's X. So just now we saw in this recap of what we learned in the last video that ratio when a line, when one line is a parallel to the base of any triangle, then it cuts the triangle, other two sides of triangle in such a way that the ratio is same. So what does it mean? It means that AD and DB is in the same ratio as AE and EC. Okay, so that is what is meant here. So let us apply. We know many things. We know AD is 1.5 centimeter, DB is 3. So AE will be 1, and then EC we have assumed that it's X. So very easily you can see that X will be then 1 times 3 divided by 1.5, doing cross multiplication, 2 centimeter. Okay, so that is the solution of this question. Let us take a few other questions. There are many questions here, but many of them looks maybe some of them looks difficult also. Let us take this question number 3. Question number 3. So whatever is the question, or whatsoever complicated question is, if you stick to the basics, you will be able to solve it. So in question number 3, it talks about this figure. I'm just drawing this figure, B, C, L, N, D. Okay, so here we can see that there are a few triangles, and also they are forming quadrilateral in a way. But let us see what kind of conditions are given in question 3. It says that if LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD, okay, so let us see where is LM. LM is this one, which is parallel to BC, and then LN is parallel to CD. Okay, this is what it is telling. Then we need to prove that AM to AB ratio will be equal to AN to AD. So this needs to be proved. That's very good. So we have understood the question now. Let us try to apply the theorem which we have read previously. And what is that? The theorem is that, let us take one by one. So in triangle ABC, what do you notice? It's a triangle where LM is parallel to BC. So it means AM to MB ratio will be equal to AL to LC ratio. We already proved that in the last video, and then we also have recapped it. Okay, so there's no doubt about it, isn't it? So so this divided by this will be equal to this divided by this. Why? Because these two are parallel. Okay, this is what it is telling. And in the similar way, there is no difference. We can also consider triangle ADC, where we can say that okay, let me just try to explain. ADC, where DC is parallel to LN. Okay, so in that way we can write that AL to LC ratio will be equal to AN to ND ratio. Okay, and then you can see that one very interesting thing, that AL to LC both are same. What does it mean? It means then these two also has to be the same. Okay, and this is what is to be proven. So in a way, it's very obvious that AM to MB is equal to AL to LC, and then AL to LC we can also write down AN to ND. Okay, so it means AM to MB will be equal to AN to ND, because they both are equal to AL to LC. Okay, so that is the solution of this question. Okay, so in question 4, it's given that BF upon FE, the ratio of BF and FE is same. Okay, no, this need to be proved. Okay, BE to EC, this needs to be proved. Okay, and what is given? First of all, I have drawn the figure, which I just want to clarify a little bit. What it says, what is given is that DE is parallel to AC. It's given. And then it's also given that DF is parallel to AE. So these two things are given. Let us see what it means in the figure. So DE and AC. DE and AC. Okay, DE and AC are parallel. Okay, I have made it in such a way that it don't looks parallel, but okay, let us assume that it is parallel. Okay, I need to change the figure, but it's okay. Let us assume that these two are parallel, AC and DE. And then DF and AE. DF and AE are parallel. Okay, so these two things are these two pair of sides are parallel, and then we need to prove BF to FE will be equal to BE to EC. Okay, so first of all, in this figure, how we will approach? We will approach by few things, or by knowing few things which we already know because of the theorems which we have done. So first of all, what we will do, DE and AC. So DE and AC, so it is actually talking about DE in triangle ABC, the base is AC and DE is parallel to that. What does it mean? What we can actually know? Then BD to DA ratio, BD to DA will be equal to BE to EC, isn't it? What I have done here, let me explain again. BD to DA will be equal to BE to EC. Why? Because DE is parallel to AC. Okay, so we can write down. Let us call it equation 1. And then similarly, let us take do something with this one, DF and AE. DF and AE. Okay, so now what it is talking about? Now it is talking about this, basically this triangle AEB. AEB. So in triangle AEB, the base AE is parallel to DF. Okay, and then we can infer that BD to DA will be equal to BF to FE. I will also try to draw it. BD to DA will be equal to BF to FE, isn't it? There's no doubt about it. Okay, so if there is no doubt, then you can see that these two are the same, or the common ratios. So this will also be the same. Why? Because this is equal to this, and this is also equal to this. It means this is equal to this, and this is what needs to be proved. You can just compare BEEC, this is BEEC, and then this is BFFE here. Okay, so then we can say that yes, it's proven. Actually, BE to EC is actually equal to BF to FE.